Hey everybody, it is Maddie here with Altcoin Buzz with you on this Friday, and we're seeing some excellent price action today here on CoinDesk.com. Bitcoin price breaches $9,600 to hit 400-day high. We'll take a look at that on news. BTC.com crypto markets reach $300 billion as Bitcoin chases $10,000. Ethereum world news. Bitcoin is about to see this extremely bullish technical event. Things seem to be lining up on Cointelegraph.com. Bitcoin price hits new 2019 high, inching closer to $10,000 FOMO. We'll give you Mark's take here with his Twitter handle at OldManCrypto at CryptoOld here on newsbtc.com. Ethereum price smashes resistance. Stage set for $300. And finally on CoinGape.com, Ethereum soars above $280 as Bitcoin skyrockets to new 2019 high. So let's begin, I think appropriately, with a snapshot of the market. We are sitting at $301 billion total market cap at the time of this recording. That's up 4.8% on the day. Bitcoin is sitting in a very healthy position at $9,786. That's up over 5.9% over the last day, 18.5% over the last week. Ethereum is the other big story that we're going to be discussing today. They're only up 13.6% on the week, but up 8.4% on the day, sitting at $290.41. $300 is within range. We're not all that far. So looking now at this piece on CoinDesk, Bitcoin price reaches 9.6K to hit 400-day high. Bitcoin's price set another new high for 2019, reaching $9,599. We're higher than that before retracing slightly to end Thursday's trading. The move to fresh 2019 highs comes after the Bitcoin price dropped as low as $8,919 on the 18th of June, just 3 days ago, before a surge of buying pressure pushed prices back above 9K within the same day. The rally was also accompanied by a large uptick in the 24-hour trading volume. An increase of $9 billion was added overall, according to data from CoinMarketCap.com. Skipping ahead, eyes are now firmly set on Bitcoin's new target of $9,650 resistance. This was last seen 13 months ago on the 30th of April, 2018. Pointing toward a very strong upward move beyond the 10K psychological price tag. So now that we've passed 9,650, we're about $100 above that currently. Do you feel we have enough momentum to challenge 10K? I don't know, 10K is a big number, but we're not that far. Here on newsbtc.com, crypto markets reach $300 billion as Bitcoin chases 10,000. It's been another fruitful Friday in crypto land. Markets have hit a new high for the year, and as usual, it is Bitcoin driving them. A total market cap top of $300 billion was touched a few hours ago as Bitcoin broke through resistance, once again surging to new 13-month highs. The move came a few hours ago during early Asian trading. This time it wasn't a Bart Simpson spike, but a gradual grind up through the resistance at $9,600 and on towards an intraday high of $9,800. Since then, gains have mostly held as Bitcoin remained around 9,700, with plenty of talk about a further move to 10K today or over the weekend. Ethereum, which we're going to be talking about a little bit more in just a second, has also been climbing steadily, and it's up at about $280, now $290. In comparison, however, Ethereum is still way down, over 80% of all-time high down compared to Bitcoin, which is now down about 50%. There is no doubt that Ethereum will crack $300. In my mind, there's no doubt that Ethereum is going to crack $1,000 and more eventually. But going on and make bigger gains when alt season kicks in. But at the moment, the going is slow. More good news here on EthereumWorldNews.com. Bitcoin is about to see this extremely bullish technical event. Bitcoin to see paramount technical event. Bitcoin has always been cyclical. We know this. Throughout its 10 years as a tradable asset, investors have found that the asset follows mostly clear-cut patterns and cycles marked by time and certain technical indicators. As spotted by Philb, a prominent cryptocurrency analyst who believes Bitcoin reaching $100,000 and beyond is possible, the moving average convergence divergence, the MACD, on Bitcoin's 1-month chart is about to experience an extremely bullish crossover. More specifically, the indicator meant to observe overarching trends is about to see its third monthly bullish cross in Bitcoin's history. The last time this was seen was when Bitcoin embarked on its bull run from the low triple digits, about $300, to $20,000. While short-term MACD readings often are susceptible to so-called fake-outs or fake breakouts, the 1-month MACD is a solid indicator for long-term price action. It is important to note that the MACD has yet to cross into the green, but should if Bitcoin manages to close June strong, maybe above $9,500 or so. And again, we're sitting at about $9,750 at the time of this recording. In a later tweet, Philb continued his bullish spiel, asking his followers if they would, quote, long this. His implication was that this chart, which is inverse of current Bitcoin price action, looks extremely bearish and thus bullish due to the inverse. As a result of inverse Bitcoin crossing under its 12-month and 24-hour exponential moving averages. There's no one metric, in my opinion, that you can use when you're conducting technical analysis to make a prediction, but on a 3-month window looking at something like this with a very specific range of examples, only 3 in Bitcoin's history, this is one of the more encouraging pieces of analysis, at least in my opinion. Let us know what you think about this 3-month MACD convergence. It seems like good news. You can also read more about this on Cointelegraph.com. Bitcoin price hits new 2019 high, inching closer to $10,000 FOMO. Here we have Mark at Crypto Old. Mark, our technical analyst wizard on Altcoin Buzz. He said the following: great start to the day on Bitcoin. Still waiting to see what is going to happen on the CBOE futures. Based on this move up on low volume and USDT, USDC money moving around last night, I'm going to assume there are going to be some short liquidations coming, possibly. Give Mark some love, leave a comment, and let us know what you think about his idea, his outlook, with your own thoughts in the comments below. Here on newsbtc.com, Ethereum is also doing very well. ETH prices have smashed resistance, and the question is asked, is the stage now set for $300? So in a nutshell, the Ethereum price rallied recently and broke the key $270 and $280 resistance levels against the US dollar. The price is now trading nicely above $275, and it is likely to accelerate towards the $300 level. There was a break above a major bearish trend line with resistance near $270 on the hourly chart of ETH USD, and the pair seems to be setting up for more gains, and it could soon test the $300 barrier. So now that we've broken through $270, that could be a main support moving forward, of course, because it was recently acting as strong resistance. Resistance becomes support. On the upside, an initial hurdle is near the $285 level, which we've just passed, above which the price is likely to gain pace above $288 and $290. Above $290, the price is likely to test the key $300 level. Looking at this chart right here, Ethereum price seems to be setting up for more gains, and it could soon test that $300 mark. If there is a downside correction, the price is likely to find support near 280 or 275. Here are some of the technical indicators for Ethereum hourly MACD. The MACD for Ethereum USD is currently gaining strong momentum in the bullish zone. The hourly RSI, the relative strength index for Ethereum USD, is currently placed in the overbought zone, and it could correct lower towards 70. Major support level, as we mentioned, is about $275, and major resistance level at the time of this publication was $285, but we have, at the moment at least, smashed through that. We're eyeing $300 at the moment. Also covering this news is Coingate.com. Ethereum soars above $280 as Bitcoin skyrockets to new 2019 highs. You guys can take a look at this piece for much of the same coverage, much of the same analysis. All in all, not a bad Friday, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army. Hey, it's June 21st, right? So this is the first day of the summer. It is the summer solstice. It's appropriate enough that it is marked with a very healthy day for Bitcoin, a very healthy day for Ethereum, and overall, a good one for the markets. It's been a while since we've been up over $300 billion. Total market cap, that's up almost 5% on the day. And who knows, maybe we'll have another healthy weekend going into Saturday and Sunday. Let us know your thoughts about this in the comments below, but overall this is very, very good news and a very, very good outlook. So that about rounds out the news for today. Do be sure you're following us, everybody, on all the regular social media channels, and keep checking back into our website, altcoinbuzz.io, for all the latest updates and developments. Go ahead, like, subscribe, share, and hit the bell to receive notifications. Best of luck if you choose to invest, members of the Altcoin Buzz Army, but have a wonderful Friday, a wonderful start to your weekend, and hey, we hope to see you again soon in our next video. Take care.